Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers and the book which we are doing today, Maths of Prep Class. Dear student, today we will learn about tall and short. So student, open the page number 11 of your book, Tall and Short. Look at the tall and short things. Look here, this is a tall giraffe and this is a short giraffe. Here we have street lamps. This street lamp is short and this street lamp is tall. Look at the men. One man is tall and other is short. Now see the building. This building is tall and this building is short. Look here, this is a tree and this is a short tree and this is a tall tree. Here we have pencils. This pencil is tall and this pencil is short. Student, very good. So remember, big and long things can be tall, small and tiny things can be short. So student, today we will recognize the difference between tall and short thing. So student, आपको चाहिए कि आप अपने इर्द गिर्द के माहौल से मज़ीद जायज़ा लें और टॉल एंड शॉर्ट में फ़र्क महसूस करें। आज का हमारा लेक्चर कंप्लीट होता है। अब हम मिलेंगे अपनी अगली वीडियो में अपने अगले लेक्चर के साथ। गुड बाय।